Hi, my love. So today I'm gonna show you guys this knife set that they sent me today. Y'all, it came with a beautiful wooden storage box. And these knives, y'all, are so fancy. I never had knives like this before. It came with 2 cards, gave you a little bit of background about the knives, how they was made, and oh my god, y'all, these knives are so sharp. Like, seriously, like I was a little intimidated to use these. You know, I had to question my cooking skills for a second, but y'all know I had this. So today, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all how I prepared my lobster and Alfredo pasta. And I got 4 small lobsters, and then I had to go get the 1 big lobster. This is my first time cooking one of these size lobsters. So yeah, we finna see how this finna go. And usually, y'all, with the lobsters, I usually do it with the scissors, and I be struggling. But with this knife, y'all, I literally cut down in one hit. Like, these knives are so sharp, it is not like it's nothing to play with. Seriously, y'all, it made it so easy to cook for me. I love these knives. Like, I have to get more. And they also come with 2 other smaller knives. I did use those to cut up my veggies and like my shrimp and my chicken. Look how that lobster was so nicely, neatly sliced, y'all. That butcher knife ain't no joke. Look at that. I love this knife. Like, I didn't know that I was missing knives until I got this. So I cut the other ones quick and easy with the same knife that I used. Thank y'all again for sending me these knives because it made my life so easier. And I just seasoned my lobster tails with some Creole seasoning and some other seasoning spices and Cajun. And I've used the butter. And this is what I'm going to go ahead and saute them in. Yeah, I had craved pasta for the longest. And I used the same butter and I seasoned it, and I'm putting heavy whipping cream because you know we making our Alfredo scratch. And I'm pouring it into the pasta that I already boiled. Y'all, this pasta was so fire. It gave me Red Lobster vibes. Look at that. Creamy, no dry sauce over here. Yes, I love it. Y'all, I'm going to tag their name in the bottom because I don't want to mess it up. Thank you.